Checking your card number on your Apple Wallet is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, to check a card number in Apple Wallet, you're gonna open the wallet app, and once you open it, this is what it's gonna look like. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna find the card that we want to find the details for. So let's say this card at the front. Once we pick it, you're gonna realize that's the only card that's gonna show. Now, once we do that, we can go to these three dots here and click on card details. And once the card detail loads, now we're gonna click on card information. Now here we can see all of the information on the card, including the card number, the name, the expiration date, the security code, and the description of the card. Now that is how to check your card number on Apple Wallet. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.